Well, I almost made it work. We gotta find another way. Well, this ain't gonna work either. It looks like I'm not going that way either. Hey everybody, this is Ray Ogilvie in Hartsville, South Carolina. This is September 18, 2018. Tropical Storm Florence has left our area, but floodwaters are still causing a major problem. This is Black Creek here in Hartsville, South Carolina, not far from my home. This is the bridge over the Great Petey River just outside of Society Hill, South Carolina. I've been crossing this bridge on my way to work for the last 20 years, and I've never seen the river this high. Animals are coming up on the highway to get away from the water.